All right, this is Still Rock and Roll to Me by Billy Joel. We're going to start out with this intro where we do single note things. We go. Okay, so we have a C note here. This is the 5th fret of the 3rd string, the G string. We're going to go start with one of them and then do doubles after that. So it's like, and see, I'm kind of stopping that note, staccato. So after we do a set of 2, after that first one, I stop it, and I let the next 2 ring together, but then I stop the second one each time, so it's... Okay, that's like 1 bar of that, 1 measure. We're going to actually do 4 measures for the intro, so it's like 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Second measure, 3rd measure, 4th measure. Now in this 5th one, he starts singing that, so the verse is going to start here, so 3, 4. Then we're going to the E note here, 2nd fret of the big D string. So we do 1 measure of that. So once the verse started, we have C for 1 measure, and then this E. And then we're going to go to this B flat here, 3rd fret of the G string. And then to the 3rd fret of the D string, the F note. Okay, then we start again with the C, E, B flat, F. Okay, so we did that twice through. Then we got kind of do a reverse rake, and you got your E minor, A minor, E minor again. Then we're gonna go D to the G. Okay, so that was E minor, hold for 4, A minor, E minor, and then D to G, kind of 2 strums each. And then we're gonna have this progression here: C, E minor, B flat, F, A minor, G, C, and then triplets. Okay, so that was C, E minor, B flat, which is these 3s with the 1, to F, 3, 2, 1, 1, A minor, 2, 2, 1, 0, to G, to C, 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a... Okay, then we're back into a verse, which would start out with the C chord, E minor, B flat, F. So same progression we were doing with the single notes, but we can do chords now. So here's the second time through. We got C again, E minor, B flat, F. So let's play that together. 1, 2. We're gonna go C, E minor, B flat, F twice through. 2, 3, 4. C again. E minor with a rake. A minor. D to G. Then we got those changes: C, E minor, B flat, F, and these are 2 beats each. A minor to G, C, 2, 3, 4, da 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 da. Okay, so let's look at that C change again: C, E minor, B flat, F, A minor, G, C. Okay, so from the C, 2, 3, 4, C, E minor, B flat, F, A minor, G, C, 2, 3, 4. And those triplets are like down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that was like the second verse, second time through the whole thing. Now we have a bridge. We're gonna come up here. We have a little honky tonk thing. We got. So it's 5 and 7. And if you can get that pinky over here to get that 9th fret of the G string. Does the same thing for each chord if you can reach that. Now if you can't reach that, just kind of go dun da 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 dun. Okay, so we're starting on this G chord. 3, 4. Down to the 3rd fret, F. Down to the 2nd fret, E. So let's try those. 5 to 3 to 2. 2, 3, 4. Then we come up to the 7. This is an A. Okay, so all 4 of those: 5, 3, 2, and 7. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. fifth, third, second. Now this time we go after the second, we went up to the sixth. Now we're going down to the 1 here. Up to the 3, the F, and stop on the G there. The whole thing is 5, 3, 2, up to the 7, and then it's 5, 3, 2, and you have a modulation. It goes 6, that's the A flat, down to the 1, which is the E flat, up to the F, and then we stop on the G. Okay, so I'm gonna play through the whole thing. 2, 3, and. Verse. Got that E minor rate, and you can strum through these after a while. D to G, got all our changes, C, E minor, B flat, F, A minor, G, C. Okay, then you have the whole bridge again. And then the last verse is the same as the others, except at the very end, after we have the, we go through the C, E minor, B flat, F twice. We got the E minor to A minor, E minor, D to G. We got this whole thing. Now what's different is we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't have 2 bars of that C there, so it's a little shorter. And it leads back into the progression again with the C, E minor, but it's gonna have stops on it. So it ends up with like the A minor, G to the C, 2, 3, 4. Hit, 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 hit. And then instead of the A minor here, hit the G, and then your C7 is the end of the song. 2, 3, 1, open. And that comes in after the drums go like 4 and up, jang, and you hit that one. Okay, so that last verse would be. E minor. All these changes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 and C7. All right, still rock and roll to me, Billy Joel. Thanks for watching. This has a tab with it. We'll talk to y'all soon.